So today is Messy Hair Power Bread Day, and it is a rainy, cold day, and I'm just gonna get some kind of around the house chores organizing done that I thought I'd bring you along on to kind of inspire us all, because my closet has just become a dumping ground of, like, my son has pulled stuff off the closet, I've tossed things in that I haven't folded, he'll bring stuff in that's cleaning that I haven't folded yet and like stuff it in, his toys are in there. Winter shoes got tossed in there when I did a cleaning tidy and my little tiny cloak closet. So it's a total mess. It is like a real mess. It's not one of those fake messes that people film for YouTube. So I'm just going to organize it. I'm going to do a power quick 20-minute. I'm going to try to keep it to 20 minutes. Clean through and just organize it and figure out what's in there. Because, you know, it is too cold and rainy and dark outside to do anything fun right now. So I think we're just going to try to clean. Oof. Organizing, man. Every season I try to do a declutter, and I have found that this fall there's just so much to declutter. I don't know what about this summer. I guess we were just having so much fun. The house got into total chaos, and now it's like it's tidy time. Yes. I don't even know what does this lid go to. I guess this is as good as mine. It was folded into the shirt. I don't know if I did this. My son did it. Who knows? I've been down so I can talk to you. My camera is propped up on a sock bin right now, so it's very low. So part of what I do with the season changes when it's going to be a big weather difference is I put away some of my tank tops and stuff that are more summery, and I just put them in a little fabric zipper case. And I bought one at IKEA and I bought another one at Amazon. I kind of like IKEA. But I just kind of put some of my seasonal clothes because I have a small closet. I don't have a ton of storage in my house in general. So I just keep it in the little zipper thing under the bed, and I kind of rotate through seasons like that. It's easy. Oh, this jacket we need. What size are we? Hey, Bubba, I found your rain jacket. I've been missing my travel hairbrush for so long. Now I know where it went. Oh, I found you goldfish crackers. Do you want some? Abraham, my darling, do you want some goldfish crackers? Oh, so I thought I would show you. I'm trying to not show you the whole bed mess. I know, I'm just face cleaning it. I keep my hamper, a hamper, right by me while I'm doing this so I can toss in clothes that I'm finding that are dirty. Because my son does just kind of rampage through, and then I've noticed that a ton of stuff in my closet has fallen down because he's been playing hide and seek. So I just take what I think is dirty, toss it in. If it's clean, I fold it, and then it's gonna go, and it's summer, winter, or fall destination. This hamper is from IKEA. And just a little fabric bin. Stretches. Okay, I found you a big thing of toys. I don't know why. A lot of music videos, that's a lot more skinny dress. One thing I do to save on space, because I do have very limited storage space, and I will admit that I own a lot of outfits. I just do. It collects over time, right? I am not a minimalist that has like 5 outfits and that's all. I daydream of that, but then I take great joy and pleasure in getting to wear different outfits. So it's hard for me to want to do that. Like I do sort through my clothes and give them away or sell them at a consignment shop. The ones I don't wear anymore. But you know, a lot of stuff, like, it's nice. But it is silly. It's silly to own so many tank tops, isn't it? But I love it. So to save space, I hang them up on their little sleeves on one hanger. Like this. I'm trying to do this one hand, which is a little tricky. There you go. So they all just hang like that off of a shirt, and that just saves me some space, because otherwise each one needs a hanger. I don't know. I always feel good when I actually put everything in a hanger, but then I run out of hangers for things that I actually need it for. To hang them up on the edge of the neck of one of these. Just by a little speedy way. I also can see them better that way, because otherwise they kind of get squashed by everything. Okay, yodeling time. Tidies. I do love good tidy. The terror. Oh my god. I don't know how my shoe area gets this messy. I swear it was organized recently ago. This is even a broken hanger. Yeah. Ay. Okay, I'm keeping it real. I'm keeping it real, guys. This is what my closet really looks like. That is clean, so that goes there. Okay. That goes in the long sock. I love these boots. Look at those beauties. So, too early for snow boots. Quite, but getting there. So pretty quick, I'm gonna lift this up so you can see it better. Power tidy. It doesn't look tidy, I know, but I can actually see what is where. Which shoes are missing their pair and all that. That's right, I actually own high heels that I could wear if I ever went on a date. You're like, Rose, don't be silly. Of course not. Okay, that's looking a little bit better. It's not great. I have to rotate through stuff, but it's looking better. until next time, I will see you all over my Instagram page and all over my other YouTube channel.